cruise shipping in general has a surge in demand after COVID. Everybody wants to get back out there and travel. So I think the demand will always be there, and the demand for ships to come back to Tobago will always be there. The onus is on us to provide the service that they expect. So the tours we see most, obviously the Pigeon Point Beach, that's always a big seller. Currently today we have probably over 300 persons going to Pigeon Point Beach alone. Other popular tours are Tobago South, which basically does a tour of Tobago South, the different forts, mysterious tombstone, that sort of thing. And another famous one is the folkloric show, where we put on exactly what you're seeing here with the entertainment here at the port. We do that in a private setting for the guests. We also have more active tours like a boat cruise to Little Tobago, where you do a hike on Little Tobago. We do tours in the rainforest, Argyle Waterfall, Cocoa Discovery, different things like that.
We have all the maxis are engaged and a few PTSC buses. And so far we will have covered the transportation issue. We have been taking them around this beautiful island of Tobago. They are enjoying it and they are having a wonderful time. Not only for the taxi operator, you have like the cultural group, then you have the reef boat, you have the people who are selling, doing arts and craft, which is very good. So it's general, right? But and I think we are enjoying it and we are benefiting from it, and I trust that this can continue and there will be an increase.
From the time they reach close enough and they hear the music, you see the dancing from off the boat, you know, so it's a good feeling being received by them in that way. Some persons know about the instrument and some persons don't know. So they will ask questions like, is it amplified? Is it electronic? How many notes? How do we create the pan? Who created it?
Close to a dozen ships have already visited Destination Tobago, with several more calls scheduled. From the Division of Tourism, Culture, Antiquities and Transportation, I'm Juliet James reporting for Let's Talk Tobago.